Hello students, welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with an exercise of your chapter number 5, that is bones and muscles. So let's do the exercise. Students, you have to write this in your SW copy. Firstly, you have to mention date and SW in your SW copy. Then you have to mention the chapter name. Then you have to write exercises. Now, the first question is choose the correct option. Now, let's start with first one. What does the skeleton do for our body? So, students, in our previous videos on the explanation of this chapter, we studied that skeleton gives shape and support to our body and also protect the soft inner parts of the body. So students, here firstly we have to read all the 4 options which are given here and choose the correct one. Now, in A, it gives shape to the body. So students, you know very well, skeleton gives shape to the body. Then B, it gives support to the body. This statement is also right. The C, it protects the soft inner parts of the body. This statement is also correct. The D is all of these. So students, here our answer is all of these. So you have to tick the D option. Now let's come to the second question. Now the second one is, which of these describes bones correctly? So students, we have to read the options first. They are hard. Yes, bones are hard. So this statement is also true. The second one is they are stiff. This statement is also correct. The C, they form a framework to protect the inner parts. Yes, bones form a framework to protect the inner parts like our brain, our heart and our lungs. So, here the correct option is D. That is all of these. Now, let's come to the third option. That is, which of these keep our bones and muscles strong? Our options are exercise, healthy food, proper sleep or all of these. So students, to keep our bones and muscles strong, we have to do regular exercise and eat healthy food and have proper sleep also. So here our correct answer is the option D. So students, you have to tick the option number D. Now let's come to the question number 4. Which of these are soft and help to move our bones? Our options are skeleton, muscles, joints or none of these. So students, you know very well, Muscles are the soft part of our body that helps to move our bones. So here our correct answer is muscles. Now let's come to the question number 5. That is, which of these is true about posture? So students, here we have to choose the correct option which is true about posture. The option number A is, it is the position of our body when we stand, sit or walk. So students, this option is correct. Now B, we should keep it straight and upright. Students, this option is also correct. Now C, a good posture helps to stay healthy. This statement is also true. So here our answer is all of these. Posture is the position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. We should keep it straight and upright, and a good posture helps us to stay healthy. So all the statements given here are true about posture. So our answer is option number D, that is all of these. Now let's come to the last question, that is, which of these helps us to bend our body? So students, the first option is healthy food, the second one is muscles, and the third one is joints, and the last one is none of these. So students, in our first option, healthy food, can healthy food help us to bend our body? No. Muscles helps us to move our body? No. Our correct answer is joints. Joints help us to bend our body. Okay students. Now let's come to the question number E. That is, answer the following questions. Our first question is, what is the skeleton? So students, you know very well the framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. Now, the second question, what is a joint? The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. And joint can help us to move to bend our body. Now the third one, why do we need muscles? We need muscles to move our bones. So students, you know very well muscles are soft part of our body. There are about 600 muscles in our body. Now let's come to the fourth question, that is, how can we keep our bones and muscles strong? So students, we must exercise and eat healthy food every day to make our bones and muscles strong. Now the fifth one, what is posture? The position of our body when we stand, sit or walk is called posture. So students, in this chapter we learn about many topics like skeleton, joint, bones, muscles, exercises and healthy food, and posture. So students, you have to write this in your HW copy. Your writing should be neat and clean. And you have to learn also. I hope you understand the exercise by this video. So students, write it neat and clean in your HW copy and also learn all the question answer. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Have a wonderful day.